Okay, I've got a setup here. I've got this the microphone, or the microphone on the iPhone is about 34 centimeters away from the microphone on the camera. That's about a wavelength at 1,000 hertz. I am going to move one speaker closer to the camera in 1 centimeter steps. There, in spectrum mode, you can see the 1,000 hertz right there. You can't see it in regular waveform. There you go. But there's 1,000 right there. Now I'm going to advance the speaker and listen for the signal, but also watch the waveform. So right now they're both aligned 0, 1 centimeter, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, it should start diminishing now, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40.